Good morning, everyone. Yalancy Peterson. It is Saturday, July 8th, 2018. It is 7:22 a.m. Got a few more nuggets about the new Uber app. Some really good stuff. One of the most important things I did not mention in the last review I made of the app was my number one pet peeve, and that was the cancellation tone. I don't know what the new cancellation tone sounds like yet because I haven't had a cancellation, but the alert sound that you get when a new ride request comes through, it's very nice. I like it. It's a warm, welcoming tone. You know, the old tone is what it was. I had no major gripe about it, but the new tone is definitely a clear improvement over what the old tone was. So, you know, I'm expecting nice things when the cancellation tone comes through because you know it's gonna happen. But hey, it didn't happen last night because I actually ended up getting a private client last night, which was fantastic because I needed a private client last night. Let's see, the ratings. How they changed the rating screen is really nice, and that's the reason why I'm making this video. I'm trying to find an easy way to get to my drive time. I'm still a learning curve with the app, but on the old app, it gives you the percentage of riders who rated you. So it'll say, you know, 99% 5-star, 1% 4-star, 0% for the others. Now it tells you exactly how many people rated you so many stars, and the total adds up to 500. It's really nice. Like, for example, my current rating is 4.96. And from my last 500 ratings, 484 riders rated me at 5 stars. 12 rated me at 4 stars. Okay, let me say that again. 484 riders rated me at 5 stars. 12 rated me at 4 stars. 3 rated me at 3 stars, and 1 rated me at 2 stars. I have no 1-star ride, so apparently that 1-star ride I did have, it fell off, and rating is starting to go back up again. They still kept it at the last 500 ratings, which I really do think Uber should change that to the last 100 ratings. It should be some kind of requirement if the rider does not rate the driver in a given amount of time, let's say as soon as the ride is over, like they treat us, we automatically get 5 stars. I mean, I think it's fair. We have to immediately rate the rider as soon as they get out the car. I think the passenger should be held to the same standard. Fair is fair. That's just my thing. All right, let's see, what else? Basically, that's it for now. They have some nicer graphics on here. You know, they give you more instructions. They have an inbox, so you can see various messages that would otherwise be sent to you as an email. Now it's in your inbox instead. I think that's a little faster to review things. Let's see. I'm trying to get to drive time, and it's tough trying to find drive time. Other than that, you know, like I said, and everything is easier to see. It's bigger, a lot more white space. The font is clean, orderly to look at, but it's a larger size as well too. And the colors that are being used to show the typeface, it's darker, so it's easier to read against the background. Other than the issue with the road being the same color as the navigation line, the route guidance line, hey, you know what? This is a really good improvement, and I look forward to when it is available in iOS. That'll be great. All right, that's another quick video about the app. I will catch you all on the next video. Today will be a very, very busy day for me. I have to make it a busy day. Have a good one. Take care.